you like more customers to walk into your repair shop? Obviously, yes. Of course you would. So here's a secret on how to do this. Treat your website just like your repair shop. Your website is a massive advertisement for your repair shop. It's a billboard that can catch the attention of millions of people in need. If you don't keep that billboard up to date displaying your best offers and services, no one will know about why they should be choosing your repair shop. In this video, we will explain how you can supercharge your SEO and get more customers to your auto repair shop. Let's get started. So, what exactly is local SEO for auto repair shops? It's all about optimizing your website to show up in local searches. Imagine someone in Houston searching for car body repair. Ideally, they want a shop that's nearby. Local SEO makes sure your shop is the one they find, and then choose. And why is this important? Because the first few results on a search page often get the most attention. So, how can you make sure your shop stands out? Now, you might be wondering why SEO is crucial for your auto repair shop. Unlike selling products, you're offering a service, auto repair. But here's the thing. SEO is not just about visibility. It's about attracting online and foot traffic, giving your business an equal chance to compete with other auto repair shops. One option is to pay for advertisements. And while paid ads can be effective, SEO levels the playing field, ensuring your shop's visibility regardless of budget size. And we aren't all made of money, right? So, how can you optimize your auto repair shop's website and reap the benefits? Let's explore some strategies. As I mentioned at the beginning, your website is like a virtual shop. Make it professional, attractive, and user-friendly. And even consider creating a blog section for informative content that keeps visitors engaged. With over 83% of global users on mobile devices, optimizing for mobile search is crucial. Ensure your website is responsive and provides a seamless mobile experience. Did you know that Google hates slow websites? And unsurprisingly, so do users. Aim for fast page load times, under a half a second if possible. Useful tools like GTmetrix and Google PageSpeed Insight can help you monitor and improve your website's performance and not annoy any new visitors to your website. Keywords are the backbone of SEO, and one of the best ways to improve SEO is by targeting good performing keywords. Target long-tail keywords like best car repair in Houston for better results, as these keywords typically have low search volume and low competition. Other elements to consider are relevance, search volume, competition, ROI, and user intent when choosing. Have a long, hard think about what possible queries and questions your customers could be asking. After that long, hard think, you have to remember that quality content is king. Write informative, engaging content that strategically incorporates your long and short keywords. Some ideas could be car maintenance tips for summer, car maintenance and service checklist. You can save this much money with regular car maintenance. Easy tips for headlight replacement, how to remove a bumper dent, how to fix a flat tire in under 20 minutes. These are all questions and queries that your customers could be searching for. Remember when I said that earlier? But keep in mind, Google values value, not just your word count. Building a healthy backlink profile is crucial for your SEO success. It can have a massive impact SEO-wise. But what does backlinking mean? It means you have to reach out to niche and relevant sites to ask if your link can be placed on their site, usually on a specific piece of content. Seek links from niche relevant, high-quality sites, not just anyone and everyone. With a backlink, the owner of the website you are linking from has the power to make a backlink do follow or no follow. A do follow link is where link juice is passed on to your page. And a no follow link, you've guessed it, it does the reverse. Here are some quick tips to help with your backlinking. Ensure your links are from high quality websites. Avoid spammy websites. Produce high quality content. Don't create sites specifically for backlinks. Avoid websites with zero traffic. Make sure you've claimed your spot on Google My Business. This listing is a brilliant directory you shouldn't miss out on, and it also provides authority to potential customers that you are a legitimate business. It boosts your visibility in local searches and provides a platform for customer reviews. This way you can then encourage satisfied customers of yours to leave positive reviews, boosting your profile and improving your SEO. Whew! That was quite a journey through the SEO landscape for auto repair shops. Remember, while these strategies may seem straightforward, SEO is a dynamic world. If you find it overwhelming, consider seeking professional help. Hey, what about BitShip Digital? BitShip Digital is here to take your auto repair business to the next level. Contact them today for expert SEO assistance, web development, and so much more. Just head on over to bitshipdigital.com. Thanks for tuning in, and may your auto repair shop race to the top of search engine rankings.